Understanding U-Substitution, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting and important topic in mathematics, U-Substitution. This concept is vital for understanding certain aspects of calculus, and we're here to make it easy and accessible for all English language learners. So, let's get started. U-substitution is a technique used in calculus, specifically in integral calculus. It's a method for simplifying complex integrals, making them easier to solve. Think of it as a puzzle-solving technique where you replace a part of the integral with a simpler expression. This simpler expression is often denoted as U, hence the name U-substitution. Understanding U-substitution is crucial because it helps in solving integrals that are otherwise complicated. It's like finding a shortcut in a maze. This technique is widely used in various fields of science and engineering, making it an essential tool for students and professionals alike. 1. Identify a part of the integral that can be substituted with U. 2. Derive the differential of U, do. 3. Substitute U and do into the integral. 4. Solve the integral with respect to U. 5. Substitute back the original variables. Let's look at a simple example. 1. Integral of sin x asterisk cos x dx. 2. We choose U equals sin x, then do equals cos x dx. 3. Substitute and integrate with respect to U. 4. The integral becomes integral U do. 5. Solve and substitute back to get the final answer. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of U-substitution and made it more approachable for English language learners. Remember, practice is key in mastering this technique, so don't hesitate to try out more examples on your own. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next lesson.